Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video, I will show you the driver Drowsiness detection.
We are using this data, like we have multiple data sets with us, like with the classes names awake and drowsy. So there are okay, so we have more than 3,000 image, like around 3,000 images for training and same testing and validation. So 3,000 are almost 3,000 for the training, and for validation we have 600 images, more than 600. Yeah, and for testing we have 300 images. Okay, so this is how the images are divided. We had like different three data sets. So we merged all the images and labels, okay, in one data set. So after that we train the model using YOLO. Okay, YOLO is a detection algorithm. Okay, detection and segmentation and classification algorithm, but our task is for detection. So after training the model, like when you open this in Colab, you can see all the training steps, okay, all the epochs and all the at the end you can see the all the results, like how is the accuracy for each class. Overall is like for each class the good accuracy more than 80%. So once the after that we save the model in the project folder. You see there is a folder called results or training results. Okay, in that you can see all the models. Here are the models, weight spin model that we have saved, and all the results matrices. Okay, you can go through it. So once the model is done, what we deploy we use the model in the desktop app. You see here we are reading the model. This is the best.pt is the train model, so we are reading it. All this is just for the UI part of the desktop app. All this I have created a separate file for explaining all this. Okay, written, everything is written there. You can go through it, but in simple, like we have all the UI related. So whatever you see on there, the upload button, the button upload file, and the webcam, everything, that is all this is okay. So what happens here is this is the detect function. Whenever you upload a video or you are in front of the camera, when you do detection from the webcam, so it will go to this function, and then what happens is like there are multiple frames in a video. Like if there is a video of 1 minute, so per second there are like 25, 30 frames. One frame is one image. Okay, so per second 30 images you can consider. Okay, so it does what it does, like takes one frame, send to the model predicts if there is like drowsiness or not, if the like the driver is feeling drowsy or not, depending on the detection. Okay, so what we have done is like we have given here drowsy with the confidence, like we will show only whose drowsiness is more than 50%. Okay, so that's you can change also. You can do 60, 70 depending on. So it will see if the percentage is higher for the like more than 50% for the drowsy, then it will create bounding box around the, as you saw in the video, it will create bounding box around it and it will show the drowsy. This is how it works, like frame by frame it shows, and in the video you see the whole thing, like frame by frame in the in per second. This happens like for 30 times, so we don't like get it, like we can't see it, but like we just see the result in front of us, like we are seeing bounding boxes around if there is drowsiness. So this is how all this works. This is the UI we have deployed in the desktop UI. Okay, this is done all using UI is done using Tikinter. So once that is done, how you can run the project is like you just go to project folder, you go to the project folder like Drowsiness, okay, and here you just write CMD and hit enter, and this will open it. Okay, and what you need to, like I have already opened it, so you after that you just need to write here Python app.py and hit enter. Yeah, and after that you can just upload a video or you can start webcam. If the webcam is on, then it will start, when you click on this, it will work. Okay, and there is one more code I added in the folder. You can see app alarm. This is the app with the alarm. Whenever there is in the detection in the video, if the driver is got detected with the drowsy, okay, or drowsiness, then it will show alarm. Okay, it will ring alarm. Okay, like something, any alarm you can, like this is the alarm. Okay, you can change anyone. You can put any MP3 file with this name. Okay, you can just replace it. Okay, it will like beep 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 sound will be there. depending whenever there is drowsiness, okay, detected. If you want this one, if you want this code, you can use this also, or just you can keep this one, okay. The same thing, you just need to go to project folder, and you just need to cmd, write cmd, enter, and python app.py. That's it. This is how you run the.
This is the complete project. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you.